She was working in the bridal shop as blushing queen. Still her boyfriend kicked her out in one of those crushing scenes. What was she to do? Where was she to go? She was out on her fanny. So all the girls were blushing to the Sheffield's door. She was there to sell makeup for the father's home. She had style, she had class, she was there. That's how she became Manny. Looking to see the girl we described was just exactly what the doctor prescribed. Now the woman has a guy with one top CC, and the kids are Christmas and John and Peach. She's wearing red when everybody else is wearing tan. The flashy girl with blushing, the Manny friend. La carta che devo firmare è questa.
Ma non è importante che me la firmi adesso, perché invece non vedi la macchina qui di fronte?
Ma no, ma ho detto che ti vuole la mia firma e te la faccio io.
No, non c'è nessuna fretta.